From a boy born to a family with humble means to becoming the leader of world's largest democracy. Isn't it a compelling and inspiring story? What does it take to rise above the rest to a level hard to fathom and almost impossible to achieve? A distinctive vision, a unique approach, and unparalleled determination. We are talking about Narendra Damodar Das Modi, the man who 133 crore Indians look up to and whose exemplary work is acknowledged by the world. His fascinating journey is one of humility, kindness, compassion, and wisdom. Born on September 17, 1950 in Vadnagar, Gujarat, Narendra Modi's formative years were full of experiences of varying sorts. There are so many anecdotes from his early life that indicate how he went on to become an inspiring legend, a symbol of hope for millions of Indians. As a child, Modi helped his father at his tea stall. He volunteered to serve tea to the soldiers in transit during the Indo-Pak War of 1965. He also served affected people during the 1967 Gujarat floods. In the middle of all this, he balanced his studies and school life. As a student, Modi was an ardent reader, an excellent debater, and a fast learner. He spent hours in the school library gaining knowledge on a variety of subjects. He wrote plays on social issues and enacted them. He stood up for his friends and classmates and raised their concerns. Instead of cribbing about obstacles, he focused on finding solutions. Modi's inclination towards spirituality and his selflessness were visible during his teen years. He was greatly influenced by the teachings of Swami Vivekananda. At a tender age of 17, a young Narendra left his home in search of the self and travelled to the serene and beautiful mountains and valleys of the Himalayas in the north. He stayed at the Ramakrishna Mission and lived a strict life. When he returned after 2 years, Modi had found his calling to serve the society and the nation. With this objective in mind, he joined the RSS and began a new journey as a Bal Swayam Sevak. He found a mentor and a confidant in Lakshman Rao Inamdar, popularly known as Vakil Sahab, and was guided by other senior leaders. Following a disciplined life, Modi imbibed the teachings and the ideology of the RSS, that of selflessly serving the nation. His training with the RSS taught him the art of organization and honed his managerial skills. He travelled to different parts of Gujarat. He also actively participated in the historic Nav Nirman movement, a protest against price rise and corruption in Gujarat. The movement further broadened his understanding on various social issues. In 1975, when a state of emergency was declared by the then PM Indira Gandhi, he worked with several prominent leaders and organizations and firmly stood up for democracy. In the same year, he also took his first political post as the General Secretary of the Lok Sangharsh Samiti in Gujarat. Throughout the 80s, Modi went on to prove his mettle as a great organizer, a strategist, and an exemplary orator. His devotion, dedication, and hard work helped him climb up the ladder, and he was soon vested with more responsibilities. He was appointed as the General Secretary of BJP's Gujarat unit in 1988. Modi successfully organized two major events at the national level. Rath Yatra from Somnath to Ayodhya headed by L.K. Advani, and Ekta Yatra, a march from Kanyakumari to Kashmir headed by Murli Manohar Joshi, which culminated with the unfurling of the tricolour in Srinagar in 1992. The two yatras were considered integral in bringing the BJP to power in 1998. In 1995, Narendra Modi was appointed as the National Secretary of the BJP, and 3 years later, he became its General Secretary. After the devastating Bhuj earthquake in 2001, Modi went on to hold the reins of Gujarat as Chief Minister. With this began his political journey. In the subsequent years, he successfully laid the foundation of good governance in the state. Modi continued to witness political successes in the consecutive state elections and remained the Chief Minister of Gujarat for the next 13 years till 2014, when he won the general elections with a massive mandate and became the 16th Prime Minister of India.
मैं नरेंद्र दामोदर दास मोदी ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं.
And with this started a historic chapter that made way for the BJP's dominance in India's political landscape. Modi came to power at the centre with the idea of building a new India, revolving around the concept of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. Development was his only agenda, and to meet this, he introduced a series of reforms and schemes for every section of the society, promising ease of living and for every sector: education, infra, IT, army, agriculture, health, trade, foreign investments, and so on. His Swachh Bharat mission won him accolades from all across the globe. His Jan Dhan Yojana won a Guinness Book of World Record. Ayushman Bharat was implemented in an unprecedented scale. The people of this country wanted change, and Modi was the only person who could bring about that change. His ideas, his approach, his reforms resonated with the young, the old, the rich and the poor alike. Modi also forever changed the perception of the world about India. Whether it was carving paths for economic and social development within the country or dealing firmly with terrorism outside, he stood tall in his mission and vision. However, behind this tough exterior lies an extremely sensitive heart, which cares for the needy and for all citizens. He suggested the use of Divyang instead of Vikalang for the specially abled. And he also emphasized ending VIP culture. He said that New India is about EPI. Every person is important and not VIP. He always takes extra efforts to motivate children, youth and sports persons. He has written books on poetry, motivation and social issues. By any yardstick, Modi's first term as the Prime Minister has started a calibrated journey to build a new India.
आप आश्वस्त रहिए, आपका ये चौकीदार पूरी तरह से चौकन्ना है. मैं भी चौकीदार हूँ. मैं भी चौकीदार
चलो फिर एक बार हम मोदी सरकार बनाते हैं. चलो मिलके साथ आगे देश को बढ़ाते हैं.
In 2019, amid slogans such as "मोदी है तो मुमकिन है", फिर एक बार मोदी सरकार, आएगा तो मोदी ही, मैं भी चौकीदार, Modi secured a landslide win. This was clearly a reflection of hopes and aspirations of millions of Indians and their love and respect for him. Looking back, we can see how Prime Minister Narendra Modi has consistently demonstrated an extraordinary strength of character. No wonder he has emerged as a role model for future generations. As the country and the world await to see him in further action on his 70th birthday, we wish our beloved Prime Minister a very happy birthday.